Thank you very much, everyone, for being here today. I guess before I dive into what we've achieved over the past 12 months for the benefit of those of you who may not have been here last year, I'll just give you a brief introduction as to who we are and what we do. So Lottoland was founded in 2013 and we're based in Gibraltar. The aim was to digitalize and internationalize the lottery space, and in doing so, infuse it with choice and innovation. We want to bridge the gap between lottery, the traditional lottery, and instant win games. We currently offer the whole product range of lottery betting, casino, messenger, instant lotteries, scratch cards. The key product is probably our lottery betting, which some of you may be wondering exactly what it is. What we do is we allow our customers to bet on the outcome of lotteries. And in doing so, we place them in exactly the same position as if they were playing the underlying lottery. So for example, you can participate in the US Powerball from the comfort of your home by placing a bet on what you think the numbers will be. And if you guess correctly, we will guarantee the payout through our insurance structure. We currently offer bets on more than 30 different lotteries worldwide across our 12 markets. We've gone from 7 employees to 350 employees of over 30 different nationalities across our 11 offices. We've increased our customer base dramatically over the past 12 months to over 6.7 million customers. Our mobile offering has gone from strength to strength, as more than 70% of our players are now on mobile. We've had no external funding to date. We've been profitable from day one, and we're currently licensed in 4 jurisdictions: Ireland, Gibraltar, the UK, and Australia. So let me dive into a bit more detail with respect to our markets. Bear in mind that this year has been dominated by significant regulatory change throughout the globe, which has probably been our biggest challenge. In Germany, for example, one of the 16 states has said that they will not be supporting the interstate treaty. Here we've had 20% unprompted brand awareness, which makes us one of the most recognized online lottery companies in the market. We've also had a huge success with our CSR strategy and our significant contributions to the Lottoland Foundation. In the UK, on the other hand, we faced consultation with the DCMS, the Department of Culture, Media and Sport, with respect to betting on non-UK Euro Millions. Although we're still waiting for an outcome of this consultation, both the UK government and the Gambling Commission have already stated there is no evidence that we have had a negative impact on either Camelot's results or on contributions to good causes. So we are indeed growing the market, which is what we want. In other parts of Europe, like Poland and Slovakia, unfortunately, regulatory changes have resulted in the need for us to close down our offering there. Luckily, we've got markets like the Czech Republic, where the market has actually opened up and international operators are now able to apply for gambling licenses. In Australia, we've seen phenomenal growth, and in just around 20 months, we've established ourselves as one of the key players. Some of you may have seen anti-Lottoland campaign, which has now been going on for a few weeks in Australia. Frankly, we view that as very clear evidence of how strong we've become in the market, and sometimes these things have good and bad consequences. In terms of new markets, we've launched in Switzerland with Swiss Lotto. We've officially launched in Ireland with the very successful online marketing campaign, and Canada. Now, this growth is all underpinned by our insurance structure, which is still completely fundamental to the business. And in this respect, we've also made huge leaps forward in the past 12 months. Our ILS was renewed around 5 months ago, and our coverage was increased. This was the biggest reinsurance transaction to have ever taken place in the gaming industry. All 2016 investors came back, and we had new investors also join, which is clear evidence of market confidence, which is fantastic. For those of you who are not aware what an ILS is. It stands for Insurance-Linked Securities. Now, insurance-linked securities are very similar to cat bonds, which, as their name indicates, are used to insure against catastrophic events, in this case, the winning of a jackpot. The reason why an ILS instrument is so good for this circumstance is because it is totally uncorrelated to any other asset class, so it's a great hedging mechanism for investors. You can calculate your exact risk, your exact exposure, which means you can also assign a very particular price to it. And it is also fully collateralized, which means you're able to pay out to your players very quickly and efficiently. We've also recently been granted an insurance license by the Financial Services Commission in Gibraltar, making us the first gaming company to have our own insurance license. Fortuna Insurance PCC will be underwriting all the bookmaking risk of Lottoland. We'll be regulated not just by the FSE, but also by EIOPA, who will ensure that we can comply with all our Solvency II requirements. Now, what we want to demonstrate is that we're fully committed to adhering to industry best practice and full transparency, which we believe is super important for this market. And it's thanks to this insurance structure that we are able to truly innovate with our products. This year, we've had more than 700 product releases. We've had World Millions, which is our very first own lottery betting product with the largest guaranteed jackpot worldwide of 150 million each week. We've had Keno 24/7, which is played every 4 minutes and has quickly become one of our top revenue earners. We've also had numerous other instant win and scratch card games done by our own game studios in London and Berlin. And all of these have together boosted our games revenues by more than 25%. But probably what is our greatest achievement of the year in terms of product is our ring technology. Now, this stands for Random and Insured Number Generator. We've got special hardware that ensures true quantum randomness, and this is within a multi-layered, secured, protected environment with a time-stamping mechanism to assure that the results cannot be tampered with. What this means is that we are allowed to offer our players the opportunity to win millions instantly. We no longer need to wait for the jackpots to build up. We can automatically increase those through our insurance. And finally, I obviously can go without mentioning our B2B business, which has really gained momentum this year with some key partnerships with blue-chip companies such as William Hill and Kindred. We're extremely excited by the potential that our B2B has. We've got a global, scalable, proprietary front-end and back-end solutions, and we offer the whole lottery value chain, be it product development, consulting, IP, insurance, etc. So all in all, it's been a great year, topped off by the fact that we were ranked 128th fastest growing company in Europe by the Financial Times, placing us 27th within the UK, which was a fantastic achievement for us. And I guess that's it for me today before I overrun. And if anyone's got any questions, I'd be happy to answer or talk later on. Thank you very much.